Hello, welcome back to my channel YouTube ardimaspanji official. I will today making for the design windbreaker and short design for the brand FIORIRE clothing or say called FIORIRE clothing. Let's check it out.
Okay, this is for the design for the windbreaker and short. Look at this. This is for the front windbreaker, for the back short pant, and then the front with the zipper for the pocket and the string. This is also for the pocket in the front with string, more bigger, and the logo on the back, FIORIRE Italy, F butterfly. This is for the detail. I will recommend it screen printing on windbreaker. Okay.
You like it for my design windbreaker and the short pant? You can comment on the link below my YouTube channel. Okay, let's again.
Okay, this is for the conversation. I will show you. This is just revision. Can you put F with wing on the sleeve? Okay, this one. Yes, do you send pages for the secret for pattern? This is one lesson. Okay. This is from the before.
Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel ardimaspanji. If you have the comment my artwork design, you can you can comment my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my artwork windbreaker and the short pant. Thank you so much. See you again.